How to fix Outlook that's not showing pictures. So here I am in my Outlook account, and currently I'm using the classic version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365. So if you are using the new version or the web version of Outlook, you don't need to worry about this problem since this problem only occurs right here in the classic version of Outlook. So as you can see, I have an email right here in Outlook, and as you can see, the pictures are not showing right here. It says right here I need to right click or tap first and hold here to download the pictures. So to fix that problem so that the pictures are already right here right away, what you can do is that you can go to File, you can go to Options. From here, go to Trust Center, go to Trust Center Settings, and from here in the Automatic Download tab, you just need to turn off the Don't Download Pictures Automatically right here. And then you can also turn off this one, the Don't Download Pictures in Encrypted or Signed HTML email messages. From here, click OK again. And then what we need to do is that we need to restart Outlook. So I'm just going to close this. Then I'm going to open Outlook again. And then I can go ahead and open the same email right here. And then now the images are displayed automatically right here. And then that will also be the same for all of your emails in Outlook. And then that is basically it. So your problem should now be fixed. So again, you need to go to File, go to Options, go to Trust Center, go to Trust Center Settings, and make sure in the Automatic Download tab, this Don't Download Picture options is turned off. And then that is it. So what you can also do is that you can go to the Send and Receive tab, and then you can sync all of your folders right here so that it will also be reflected for all of your folders right here in your Outlook account. And then that's it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.